Hello friends, welcome to CA Padasale. In this video, we are going to see about legality of object and consideration. In previous video, we have seen about of the free consent. Before that, we have seen about competition of a contract, competent to a contract. This is a third video. In this video, we are going to see about legality of object and consideration. The consideration only valid when it comprises a lawful act, but in some cases, um, you can see with this definition. Section 23 states that when consideration and object are lawful are those which are not. It comes under section 23, which are valid, which are not valid. The consideration or object of an agreement is lawful unless it is valid, uh, unless these 6 points. You can see about this one by one. First is forbidden by law. Second one is if it is permitted, it would defeat the provisions of any law. Third one is fraudulent. Fourth is involves injury to any person. Fifth one is court regards it as immoral. Sixth one is opposite to public policy. In these 6 points, the consideration are void. First point is when consideration and object are forbidden by law. If any law forbids it is illegal, then consideration comprises of this act. It also becomes void. You can see with this example. A father had arranged for marriage of a 17 years boy, but in India the age of marriage for boys is 21 and girls is 18, and took a dowry from the girl's parents. Getting dowry is also a void, so it's a consideration is void. Next, second topic is when consideration or object defeat the provisions of any law. The word defeat the provisions of any law, defeating the intention. See this, defeating the intention which the law has expressed. It should not defeat any provisions of any law. Next, third topic is when it is fraudulent. When the consideration is fraudulent or knowingly he committed a fraud and gave the consideration, then it also void. Fourth topic is when consideration defeat any rules of the time being in force in India. Next fifth is when consideration involves injury to any person or property. If it involves injury, like you can say this example, an agreement to print a book in violation of another copyright is void because it hurts him. It hurts him, so we should not print like that. When somebody have a copyright claim, how we can print a book without his right? Next, sixth one is when consideration is immoral. Immoral means when the court considered it as a immoral. There are some points which the court separately given. These points are immoral. We should not practice it. We can see with this example when B has advanced money to D, a married woman, to enable her to obtain a divorce from her husband, and D had agreed to marry him as soon as she could obtain the divorce. This is immoral or opposite to public policy. Uh, it's a will of the it is a will of D. Uh, she did not like her husband. She will divorce. But when B uh, gave some money to gave some money to divorce his husband, it is like when we are giving money to a government office for any work done. Next, when consideration is opposite to public policy. In these cases, when public policy means when the government takes such policies, the all the companies should follow it. When they oppose to public policy, then it is void. We can see with this elaborately about the public policy. Agreement opposite to public policy. These these 9 points. These 9 points are opposite to public policy. You can see one by one. First is trading with enemy. It is like when there is a war between India and China, the Indian government suddenly banned the apps, TikTok apps, and PUBG games because it would affect the India's privacy. So it is like trading with enemy. When the person should get good license from the government for trading with the other country. But when there is an conflict between two countries, they must avoid the contract or rescind it. Second one is stifling prosecution. It means when A killed B, A killed B. I will say this example. When A killed B, C is a eyewitness. C is a eyewitness. When A gave money to C, you don't come to court and you don't participate in the court, and you go to another state for 1 or 2 years. Then I will release from the jail. Like that, he making contract, it is void because defining prosecution should not be made and no money should be paid. Otherwise, it comprises of a compoundable claims. Compoundable claims means when money is a medium, only money can small claims. Here, criminal cases, we can't give any money to the eyewitness. It is a void. Maintenance and champerty. It means maintaining a maintenance is an agreement in which a person promised to maintain suit in which he has no interest. Uh, Here, A offers B 2000 if he sues C for a case which they could have been settled mutually under the provisions of law. Just to annoy C, just to disturb C, when B files a case on C, then it is called maintenance and champerty. It is void. Trafficking relating to public officers and titles. In this case, when there is a selection commission, we can take with this example. In case of TNPSC exams, there are some persons like 3 or 5 persons appointed as a judge for selecting a person in a direct interview, face-to-face interview. In that, Rahul gave some money to major 3 selection commission officers for selecting him to the post. Then it is void. We should not trafficking relating to the public offices and titles. Agreement tending to create monopolies. Yeah, when we are trying to create monopoly in a market, it is opposite to public policy, so it is void. Third one is marriage brokerage agreement. Here, an agreement to negotiate marriage an agreement to negotiate marriage for reward, which is known as marriage brokerage contract. It is opposite to public policy. Likewise, when matrimonial sites are giving only the information, they are valid, they are accepted by law, but marriage brokerage contract is avoided. Void. Interference with the course of justice. When we give some commissions to the judge or his assistants for changing the judgment, it is void. So we should not with the interference with the course of justice. uh, Interest against obligation. This means when Kumar is a manager of some ABC Limited, if D is a supplier of coal, Kumar is responsible to inspect that coal. When D gave some commissions to Kumar that not to inspect this coal and you accept it, like that he means it is void. So we should not interest against obligation. We should not use our obligation wrong way. Consideration unlawful in part. When there are two parts of a consideration, when one part is unlawful, then the whole consideration is considered as unlawful. It comes under section 24. That's all for this video. Next video we are going to see about void agreement. Then that unit 3 goes to complete. Next we will start unit 4. Please subscribe to this channel so you will not miss out any videos from our channel. All the notes related to this I will upload in my Telegram channel. Do follow in that channel. Thank you.